already oily by itself. So this is the pot that we're using. You can get these at Walmart.
No,
Walmart.
this is from Germany.
I know, Mom. This is the pot that we're using.
I don't have counter space, so.
Mommy, no one cares about that. But you can get these at Walmart. It's not the same as the one that we're using now. Clearly, my mom had to let y'all know that.
And you arrange the big pieces mostly on the around.
Put the big pieces on the perimeter. Let's see. Don't put that there, Ada.
And tell them it's best when you season it overnight.
They can hear you.
Oh, okay. It's best to season overnight. But oxtail is easy. Little pieces of it in here.
And that's the end of the tails that she's putting in there. Those are the best pieces. And to accompany oxtail, you can make it with white rice, rice and beans.
White rice today.
We're gonna make white rice today, and as a vegetable. Oh.
I add a little, like you can add up to 1 cup of water.
Into the extra sauce that she has left after seasoning, she adds like some water to it from the ones that she boiled, and then she spreads it over the oxtail.
Good to go. And cover it.
So she's taking it out. It's been about an hour.
On 250.
And she did on 250 because she's pressed for time. So this is what it looks like. You're gonna put it in longer. It's not chicken, baby. She's gonna put it in longer because it's not tender enough. See how much sauce it makes. So that's yeah. Okay. This is the white rice we made. We'll use jasmine rice, and when you first start, you put some oil, and then we cut up some onions into, you dice it, and then you get garlic and some of that Goya, the blue top.
I didn't put any.
Oh, you didn't put that on there? Okay. Well, if you want, you can. Sometimes she does. Sometimes she doesn't. It just depends on, I guess, your mood.
Change the taste of the oxtail sauce that I'm gonna put
Okay,
on.
so since she already had it in the oxtail, that's why she didn't put it. And a little salt, and then the ratio of rice to water, you do 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. I know that part, Mom.
Oh.
I make rice. What you mean? Oh, you see, she trying me. She think I don't know.
Eden.
She forgot I was in college, far away from home. I had to fend for myself. Ramen and rice all day long. So now she pulled it out again to check it. It's almost ready.
I'm tasting it.
And she's gonna taste the sauce. What it needs. She says it's missing something. You think the rosemary? Just a little bit of salt.
But I'm gonna put
She's gonna put Maggi. It's sometimes people use it for soup. They put in their chicken soup.
I'm still gonna leave it on and boil the thing up. You can see it's good now. The more you keep it, more juicy it gets, darker it gets. Perfect.
You add the onions now?
I'm gonna add the onions and I'm gonna put it up. 350.
Well, I know I'm not gonna get this piece because there is a pima on it. There is a pepper on it. So I know that, ow, stay clear of that. So you could also add carrots at this time if you wanted them. Do we have carrots? No. So we won't be doing it because we don't have any carrots. you're gonna cover it up again and put it in there for another
Depending on how you want it. If
couple
you
of
want it
minutes.
darker,
If you want the part of the oxtail to be darker or whatever. So 30 minutes or so.